try. It's going to help you so much more to actually get out there and try and fail than it is for you to spend all your time researching. So get out there, get aggressive, stop waiting, stop letting days pass. Really quick, boss family, I have a free proposal template. So if you're not getting calls back after you submit those proposals, or if you feel like your proposals just look bland or they just look like an invoice that says estimate on it, then I have a much better way for you to do it. Download my proposal in the link in the description, and you'll be able to close more jobs because you will look more professional. You'll look like you actually care about your business. So go get the proposal template. It's completely free. My gift to you guys. Love you. You're not there yet. Work. You should be spending 8 hours a day trying to accomplish whatever the goal is, whether it's cleaning, whether it's whatever. You should be spending 8 hours a day doing that. If you spend 8 hours a day trying to make money doing something, I feel like you'd be hard pressed to not actually like make money doing that for 8 hours. If you are spending 8 hours a day trying to make money doing a specific thing, and you're not making any money, you might want to change your approach. But I can almost guarantee that you're not spending 8 hours a day on your business or side hustle, whatever it is. If it was a passion, then I wouldn't even have to tell you. You would just do it. But get out there, be aggressive, get to the bag, man. Get to the bag. Keep that boss mentality. We're gonna answer some questions, man. So if you got questions about your cleaning business, get them in the comments right now. I'm about to go fully into the chat. We're gonna get this Q&A section underway. But first, we have got to pay some bills. We'll be right back. Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business. This is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here. So automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO. You're the owner. So you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide. So go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We know there's a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ The Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ The Boss to anybody with the cleaning service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ The Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ The Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level. All right, we are in here, live and direct with my community.